You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1/40 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 40. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 1.